Hi guys, Polish Broski here. In today's video I'm going to tell you about DJI Mini 2 and why it's probably one of the best drones that you can buy. You can decide if you should buy DJI Mini SE or DJI Mini 2. You can decide if you should buy drone alone or with Fly More combo bundle, or maybe you wonder how good camera does it have. This video is going to answer all of these questions, so let's dive straight into it. Starting with Fly More combo bundle. In this package you will get charging hub, which can also be used as a power bank, and that's a great info. Good job DJI. This charging hub alone costs the same amount of money that you will pay in addition for getting this Fly More combo bundle. You're also getting not one, but 3 batteries. And why do I think that it is game changer? Because it is. Because one battery allows you to fly only for around 30 minutes, so 3 batteries allow you to fly for 1 hour and a half. The next thing you get is this special bag from DJI that allows you to take with you your remote, your drone, all 3 batteries with charging hub, and actually everything else, including additional parts that you can find in this bag in case something bad happened to the drone. But let's talk about the drone itself. It's so small. It literally fits in your hand. It could also fit in some bigger pockets, but you don't need to do that if you have this special bag from DJI. This bag is well organized, well designed, small and light. And talking about light, this drone is only 249 grams. That's what specification says, but in reality it's even lighter. It's only about 241 grams with battery inside. But that's an advantage and also disadvantage. Even not that big wind will affect this drone pretty easily, so you really need to plan ahead your trips and take into consideration weather outside. It can go up even to 1.6 kilometers, and it can go in a straight line for a 10 kilometers distance. But there are of course law limitations, so in most countries you are not allowed to fly higher than 50 to 120 meters, and also the distance is mostly restricted. Image and video quality. It can record video in 4K 30 frames per second. It's much more than DJI Mini SE because it can only record in 2.7K. Videos on this drone are actually amazing and they are basically ready to use straight out of the box. Everything is smooth, crispy, vibrant, and actually no need for additional adjustments. In terms of pictures, quality remains the same, but you have a choice. You can take a picture in JPEG only or JPEG plus RAW. It's so easy to use, like literally you could give it to a child and if you're standing next to it, nothing bad will happen. It's incredibly stable in the air. Even if you leave the remote untouched, it will just hover in one spot. Flying is also very simple. You will basically get it on the first try. And also if you lost control on the drone, you can't see it, or you're heading some obstacle and you can't avoid it, you can just press the pause button that I will talk in the next section. So talking about the remote, it's not complicated at all. This thing allows you to tilt your camera up and down, but if you want to tilt the camera upwards, you need to allow it in the settings of the DJI Fly App. These buttons allow you to start and stop video and also take a picture. This joystick allows you to increase or decrease your latitude and also rotate the drone. The right joystick allows you to fly forward, backward, left and right. This is the pause button that I talked about previously, and this button can also tell the drone that it should come back to the place where it took off. This allows you to change your drone mode. First one is cinematic, second is normal, and third is sport. Cinematic mode means that the drone will move more smoothly. Normal is just normal, and sport mode means that the drone will move faster, a lot faster. And it can be useful when you want to fly the drone somewhere far away and you don't have time. There's also this power button. If you will press it once, it will show you your battery level, but if you will press it and hold, then it will allow you to turn your remote on or turn your remote off. Also worth to mention that the drone power button has the same behavior. There is also one function button that can be programmed inside the DJI Fly App, and there is also a button to change the camera mode from photo to video and from video to photo. Quickshots is something amazing because it allows you to record amazing looking videos with literally no skill at all. First you need to pick the type of quickshot that you want to record, then you want to pick the target that you want to track, and then just press go and drone will do the rest of the job for you. Unfortunately, DJI Mini 2 does not support active track, so it won't follow you or your car. DJI Fly App is also pretty cool. It has a lot of useful features and is easy to use. Most importantly, it shows you live image from your drone. In the bottom left corner you can see the map with current location of your drone, the path of your flight, and also the straight line leading to you. There are also information about latitude, about distance from the user, about speed in each direction and more. So why do I think DJI Mini 2 is better than DJI SE? Because of what I bought it for. DJI Mini 2 allows you to record in 4K, and that's a big deal for me and probably most of my viewers. So DJI Mini 2 is actually a really cool drone, and in my opinion it's definitely worth the price, especially in the Fly More combo bundle. But remember that if you only want the drone to have fun, I think DJI Mini SE is more than enough for you. If you really care about the highest quality of the image from your drone, for example, because you're going to put it on YouTube, then I think DJI Mini 2 is perfect solution for you. Considering all I said before, if you're a content creator or you're just a person who wants to take some amazing shots from your vacations, I think this drone is everything you need. Also remember that Fly More combo is an amazing deal, so if you have some money to spare, you can afford it, then definitely go for it. One quick note. After first month or so, I don't know really how it happened, but small part of the back doors that are protecting the battery broke and fell off. And that's probably my fault because I didn't close it properly or something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to point it out. It still works, but I need to be really careful when I open it to not, break it completely. But I also already bought this part from AliExpress for less than $1, so it's not a big deal. And that would be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it resolved all your dilemmas. As always, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button along with the bell, and see you in the next video.